Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome extension on Opera GX. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. So, to get started, we need to open Opera GX. On the left bar, click Extensions, which is the cube icon right here. Once you're here, go on and click More Extensions. Then, click on the search bar menu, then type Chrome. Then after that, just hit enter. Once you're here, you would find two options. Just click on this one. Once you've selected that, click this button here that says Add to Opera and it will begin installing. It will then take you to another tab, but what you would have to do is go back to Extensions to check if Chrome has already been added or installed. And as you can see here, Chrome has finally been installed on Opera GX. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe for more videos like this.